I have an easy way to save money for an emergency fund, and it is using a 52-week savings challenge. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel where you'll get great value. Click the thumbs up button. Drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy. I'm happy for you all that are participating in these savings challenges. That way, if you have an emergency, you will have some money to tap into. Yeah, so I have an easy way to save money for an emergency fund, and it is using a 52-week savings challenge. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 2, which I do on Tuesdays. And it is very easy. What you need for this savings challenge is 60 envelopes. This is 60 envelopes. Okay? These are stuffed. See that? And these are unstuffed. Okay? And these are stuffed from the beginning. I started this in the beginning of 2025. Now, last year I did this savings challenge and I completed it from the beginning of 2024 to the end of 2024, and I decided to start over again in case there's someone else that wants to follow me with this particular savings challenge. Like I said, it's easy. And what else you need is a $5 bill. Okay? And this is considered cash envelope stuffing. Okay, it's cash stuffing, but it's envelope stuffing. Okay? Yeah. Now, wouldn't you agree that this is a very easy way to save money? Surely, when you get paid, however you get paid, whether you work a 9 to 5, you have side hustles, you're an entrepreneur, you have your own business, you should be able to come up with $5. If you can't, you need to sit down and create a budget. Look at how much money is coming in, and how much is going out. And I'm sure there's some things on there you can eliminate, okay, to be able to have $5. But depending on somebody's situation, if they have this situation, or this situation, it may be hard. But like I said, sometimes we need to just look at how much money is coming in, how much is going out, and start eliminating some things. Like eating out for one. Going to places like this 3 and 4 times a week. 2, 3, 4 times a week. I actually went here today. I was out. I'm off work today, and I was out, and I was thinking, I'm getting a little hungry, but I had a gift card that someone had given me. I had 2, and one of them was really old. I didn't know if it was still working or not, but I stopped in here, and I got a sandwich and a bag of chips, and it came up to $7.95. But like I said, I had a gift card. So, when we're eating out, it can be expensive. So if we stop things like that, we'll have this much money to put away. Okay? And this money is saving for emergencies, not for shopping, not for entertainment. And what you need is 60 envelopes. And once they're all stuffed with $5 bills, it will equal up to $300. Now, we know we need $1,000 to save for our $1,000 emergency fund. But that $300, once you stuff all of these 60 envelopes, it would equal to $300, and that can go towards your $1,000 emergency fund. We got to start somewhere. You have some people working every day, going to work, and not saving any money. Do you know the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency? And we need to be able to tap into money if something comes up. We just never know. We just want to be ready and prepared. That way, if we're ready and prepared, we won't have to go out and get this. Okay? Or this. Or this. Or run up a bunch of this. Okay? And this. This is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. So that means we're paying more for something we purchased, except for if, when, like, say for instance, you put something on a credit card. If you pay it off, you will, like if you charge $100, if you pay that $100 off, you won't accrue interest. That's the only way. You know, don't be charging things on your credit card that you can't pay off. Because like I said, it's not free money. And we want to make sure we have money saved up. So if emergency comes, you won't be in this situation. Okay? All right. Yeah. So, and also, we want to save at least 3 to 6 months of our living expense. Sit down and calculate how much that is. And once you calculate how much 3 to 6 months of your expenses is, and that will tell you how much you need to have saved in case something like this happens. Okay? All right, we just want to be ready and prepared. And if we pay out this and this will give us extra money. And not only can we save for emergency, we can start building wealth also. We want to do that too. Because one day when we're not working, we want to have some money to live off of. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and count and see how much you and I, those who are following me with this particular savings challenge, have saved since the beginning of 2025. Okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. And we're going to stuff this one here. And that is $85. Wow. I don't know what happened, but I had kind of got off track. And last week, I had to put two $5 in. I had to stuff 2 envelopes, which ended up being $10 because I was kind of off. I don't know how I got off, but I fixed it because this is a 52-week savings challenge and we're on week 17. Okay. I was off a week. I don't know what happened. But anyway, so this is how much we have saved for the year of 2025. Let me go ahead and record this right quick. Okay. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. And this is our cash stuffing envelopes savings challenge. And last week it was $80 because, like I said, I had to stuff 2 envelopes because the week before that it was $70. Okay. But anyway, now we have $85. So in order to save $300, we need $215 more. That's all. Okay. Now, if you want to, you can stuff yours with more. Just do what you can, when you can, and how you can. Don't put yourself in any bind doing these savings and challenges. Okay? All right. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or if you're doing any of the other savings challenge. And let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah. Okay. You all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.